So now let's see how we can move rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So in order to move rows and columns, what you need to do is you need to select out the column that you need to move and then simply click and drag on and then move it wherever you want. Same goes with the row as well. Click and drag it and there you go. You moved out rows and columns according to how you like it. Similarly, you can also select out multiple rows or columns and click and drag it and then move it out. You can also go around over here, drag this out right here onto the right and so forth, and then that is how you move it. If you want to move it by using the menu, then you can also go around over here onto, let's say for example, on the edit, and then you can move the column onto the right, just like this. Click on this, edit, move the column onto the right, and you can see that that is how you can move it out. You can also select this out and you can move the row up and down just like this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, just like that, and that is how you move the column out. Another way to move the column is by cutting and pasting it. So let's say for example, I want to cut this. I'm simply going to right click, cut this. So it seems as if there's a paper cut like icon right here. I can go around right here and I can go around and insert one onto the left or right. So I'm just going to insert to the left, and now you can see that you can actually paste this out right here. So just like this, I can go around right here. I can cut this just like this. I can right click and cut, and I can go around over here and I can paste this out over here as well. So I'm going to paste this out and then I can delete the column right there, and there you go. And there you go. That is how you can move rows and columns inside of Google Sheets as per how you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.